See how fast this water came up. Beautiful trees that were taken down. But now, the street is almost flooded. Supposedly this is the highest it's ever been, based upon all the neighbors and what they have told me. You can check it out over here. And it almost looks like the tide has reached this point. It doesn't look like it's getting too much more saturated, but it's still moving slightly, unless it's freezing as it's coming in. You can see the police down there. I don't know if you got the lights, but they got the whole road shut off. Here's my neighbor out here in a sweatshirt. Videotaping. I feel like it's reached its peak. It's at the high point right now. It kind of seemed to stop, but I don't know. Shanahan's driveway is pretty empty. You want me to move? You're gonna go take a ride down there? What? Oh, do you need an extra set of hands? Need an extra set of hands? Well, as long as my car doesn't end up in the water, I think I should be alright.
On Bay Road River?
It's blocked off. They got the cop right down there.
For good.